अस्सलामुअलैकुम। इस वीडियो में हम द सिंप्लिसिटी एंड ह्यूमिलिटी ऑफ हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम के एक्सरसाइज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। पहले हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। व्हाट इज़ meant by simplicity and humility? Simplicity is a characteristic of greatness. It means doing what is necessary and remaining balanced. Humility is the quality of being humble. Both these great virtues mean straightforward and having low views of one's importance. Question number 2. Describe in a few sentences the lifestyle of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the light of the text that you have read. Answer. The lifestyle of the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was simple and humble. He always ate simple food and wore simple clothes. He never searched for a prominent place in a gathering. His mattress was made of leather stuff and leaves of date trees. Question number 3. How can simplicity and humility do away with the culture of extravagance and waste? By adopting the qualities of simplicity and humility, we can easily eradicate the culture of extravagance and waste. We can also reduce our expenditure. These qualities saves a man from economic problems. Question number 4. Read the last paragraph of the lesson Simplicity and Humility of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam with comprehension and write down the main idea and supporting detail of the paragraph. The main idea of the last paragraph that we can learn a lot from the faultless qualities of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. By adopting the qualities of humbleness and simplicity, we can improve our life and can eradicate the social evils like arrogance, pride, and extravagance. Simplicity and humility will correct our special behavior. Question number 5. How did Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treat his foster sister? Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam treated his foster sister with great respect. Whenever she came, he would stand up to receive her and would spread his sheet for her to sit. The correct option. The mattress on which the Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam slept was made of leather stuffed with fiber of date tree. This show that option number A was poor, option number B led a simple life, option number C could not purchase expensive mattress, option number D was prominent. The answer is option number A. The word that is opposite in meaning to affluent is option number A, rich, option number B, beautiful, option number C, well-mannered, and option number D, poor. The answer is option number D. According to the text, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Fatima radhiyallahu ta'ala anha greeted each other dash way. In the same way, option number B in the different, option number C in a simple, and option number D in an affluent. In the same, option number A. Number 4. The word closest in meaning to impoverished is without money, option number B without good manners, and option number C having money, option number D having good health. The answer is option number A without money. Choose the correct option for each sentence. Success is an example of countable noun, uncountable noun, abstract noun, or option number D material noun. The answer is option number C abstract noun. Number 2. Sugar is an example of countable noun, uncountable noun, abstract noun, or collective noun. Sugar is uncountable noun. The answer is option number B. Honey is an example of countable noun, uncountable noun, abstract noun, or collective noun. Honey is uncountable noun. So the answer is option number. The correct plural if the noun in parentheses. These persons are posting against the president. The plural of person is persons. The woman over there want to meet the manager. The plural of woman is woman. My child dash hate eating pasta. The plural of child is children. The student dash are doing the exercise right now. The plural of student is students. Some noun change in plural form. For example, arm, part of body, and arms weapon use both the singular and plural noun below in the sentences to show different in the meaning. Nouns, good sentence. Good, Umair is a good boy. Goods, Pakistan export good to the other countries. The meaning of goods is ashya. Okay, wood. Ali collects wood for fire. Wood meaning lakdi. And woods mean I like walking in the woods. Woods mean jungle. Spectacle. The morning assembly was magnificent spectacle. Spectacle mean manzar. And spectacles mean ainak. I bought a pair of spectacles. Character. Kirdar. Adnan's character is quite different from the other boys. Characters. I like major characters of every novel. Manner. Andaz. Fahim is doing his work in good manner. Manners. Plural form में manners. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a manners. Ikhlaq. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a complete example of good manners. Force. Taqat. Atiq used his force to open the door. Forces. Afwaj. Armed forces protect the border of the countries. नाउन फ्रेज जो है वो इसम में जुमलों की तरह काम करती है. याद रखिए कि इसम किसी शख्स, जगह या चीज़ के नाम का ख्याल देती है. तो नाउन फ्रेज जो है वो जुमले में इसम के तौर पर इस्तेमाल होता है. He wished to talk to his manager. The answer of the noun phrase is his manager. The wicked man loves getting poor people into trouble. Noun phrase is wicked man and poor people. The poor man wanted to pay back every penny he owed. The poor man and every penny. The poor man and every penny is noun phrase. All kids were sleeping. So all kids are noun phrase. Okay. Horses prefer living in the dark stable. Dark stable is the noun phrase. A noun clause. The noun clause is a clause that functions like a noun in the sentence. Remember that a noun names a person, place, things, or idea. Noun can function as subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, object of the preposition, and protect the nominatives. Jamal asked me. The answer of Jamal asked me where was his wallet and where his wallet was. Correct option is where his wallet was. I couldn't tell him where was I, where I was. Where was I? Option number A. I don't know how many children he has. Option number B. How many children does he have? The correct option is option number A. How many children he has. Dash is not important. How close we are. How close are we? How close we are is not important. Question number 5. Dash was said. What did she say? And what she said. Option number B. What she said was said.